shut the fuck.
Do you know the Twin Towers still exist?
Alright, let's do this one last time.
We're a normal country, we sell cars.
Can't fucking drive them though!
You're on the way to the vet right now, but whoever bumped my dog upside the head with a cartoon hammer, I will find you, and I'll make sure tragic.
You know, I dislike sexual assault as much as the next guy. That's some bad stuff. Rape? Boo! Don't like it. But...
Yeah, I'll be giving up first.
Cheia de manias, toda dengosa, menina bonita, sabe que é gostosa.
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
If I miss, I spin again, spin again, spin again, and I might just hit it.
I never said thank you. And you'll never have to.
This is weird, but awesome. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Whoa.
I am a registered sex offender. I stuck my dick into a blender. Your mom is a transgender. I am a professional nude sender. You know that I be dominating. My cock and balls are rotating.
Like the battle pass.
Yeah, I was gonna say, it looks like the battle pass.
Looks like the battle pass.
Definitely a battle pass.
Shit look like the battle pass.
That's what I'm saying. Google, show me this guy's balls.
Oh my god, they killed Kenny! You bastard!
Where are you going?
Oh, I'm meeting up with someone from my Grindr app.
Isn't that for anonymous gay hookups?
No. This one's a way for guys who enjoy sandwiches to connect.
You meatball freak?
Uh-huh.
Alright, let's do this.
Are you also married?
准备好了没有？
Whoa, watch out, that sky's the wrong color.
I have a structured settlement and I need cash now. Call J.G. Wentworth, 877 cash now.